Last year I reviewed the Etenwolf S6, which is on the left, and this year they sent me the S7, which is an upgraded version of their air compressor. I like the S6, and it was basically put to garage duty, and I decided to test both of these against my trail quad hose system, which is an EZ Flate MOAB. Aside from the color, they are identical in size and practically the same in weight. The S7 is the green one, the S6 the orange one. Although this might not be a fair test, the 6 runs a 42 liter per minute, the 7 about 52 liters per minute, and my EZ Flate runs 300 liters per minute. That's why it runs the quad hose and is my trail compressor of choice currently. Both Etenwolfs have the same form factor, the same 1000 lumen light, and the hose situation is the same as well. This is the quad hose that comes with my MOAB, which connects directly to my battery. It connecting to the battery makes it a little bit cumbersome if you want to do one tire, like if you're doing something in the garage, and that's where the Etenwolfs come in. They're perfect for that. The MOAB is pretty much for automotive tires only. If you're inflating anything else, the Etenwolf are a much better choice. The Etenwolfs have a 1000 lumen light, which has a couple of different patterns for emergencies, which could come in handy. So just select your mode and dial in your pressure and you are good to go. The adjustment wheel has some nice positive clicks as you go around, and it will not change the adjustment even if you bump it while the compressor is running. Once it's on, it's locked and loaded. Both compressors come with a 45 watt wall wart and a USB-C cord. The new compressor is a lot more powerful than the old one, and also it has a larger battery. The old one had a 19,200 milliamp hour battery, where the new one has a 38,400 milliamp battery. I did not test the claim of battery life, but they claim this will inflate 17 tires, while the S7 will inflate 33 tires, and this is based on the 245/70/17, otherwise known as a 31-inch tire. For my testing, I used a realistic air up, air down scenario, going from 20 to 35 psi in my 33-inch tires. Although the new S7 is faster, it's also a little louder than the S6 previously released. And my old trail buddy, the EZ Flate MOAB, is the compressor they told you not to worry about. It's both quieter and faster. And just to sum up, here's a comparison of the speeds and the decibel ratings on these three compressors. Like I mentioned before, the Etenwolf is a great compressor. If you're doing one tire at a time, it makes total sense. If you're doing all four with high volume tires and want to do it quickly, hooking up to your battery and using something like the MOAB from EZ Flate, for me, is the obvious choice for trail duty. Not to say the Etenwolf can't be used on the trail, it's just a different little scenario there. Thanks for watching, and if you want to pick up one of these compressors, there are links in the description. Let me know what you're using for a trail compressor down in the comments. I'm curious to see what other people use. Thanks for watching, and happy trails.